What is found in the continent of Antarctica? Introduction. If we look at a map of the world, a vast, white, ice-covered region appears at the South Pole. This is Antarctica. It is considered one of the most remote, coldest, driest, and desolate places on Earth. There is no permanent human population, but scientists visit it for research purposes. Studying Antarctica helps us understand Earth's climate, and plays a key role in detecting climate change. Geography of Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world, covering about 14 million square kilometers. It is completely covered with ice, holding around 90% of the world's ice. The average thickness of this ice is approximately 1.9 kilometers. Key geographical features of Antarctica include Transantarctic Mountains. These mountains divide the continent into eastern and western parts. Ron Ice Shelf and Ross Ice Shelf. These are some of the largest ice shelves on Earth. Lake Vostok. A large underground lake buried under the ice, believed to have been frozen for millions of years. Climate and weather. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Temperatures can drop below -80 degrees Celsius, with the coldest recorded temperature being -89.2 degrees Celsius at Russia's Vostok Station in 1983. Due to extremely low precipitation, Antarctica is also considered the largest desert in the world. Its severe cold, high winds, and icy conditions make it uninhabitable for humans. Flora and fauna. Despite its harsh environment, Antarctica supports some life forms, especially in its coastal and marine regions. Animals. Penguins, the most iconic species, especially the emperor penguin, which breeds during the harsh winter. Seals, species like the Weddell seal are found here. Whales, several whale species migrate to Antarctic waters in summer. Plants. There are no trees in Antarctica. However, mosses and lichens can survive in extreme conditions. Humans and Antarctica. Early exploration. Antarctica was first discovered around 1820, initially thought to be just an ice field. Later explorations and scientific missions revealed its true geographical and ecological nature. Scientific research. Today, over 70 research stations operated by various countries are active in Antarctica. Key areas of research include climate change, glacial studies, cosmic rays, historic climate patterns through ice cores. Major research stations: Vostok Station, Russia; McMurdo Station, USA; Halley Station, UK. Antarctic Treaty. No country owns Antarctica. In 1959, the Antarctic Treaty was signed to preserve its peaceful and scientific use. According to this treaty, Antarctica can only be used for peaceful purposes. Military activities, nuclear tests, and waste dumping are prohibited. Scientific research is free and open. No country's sovereignty is recognized over the continent. Over 50 countries have signed the treaty. Climate change and Antarctica. Antarctica is a critical indicator of climate change. Melting ice here affects sea levels and global climate patterns. In 2002, the Larsen B ice shelf collapsed completely. Western Antarctica's ice is melting rapidly. Rising sea levels threaten coastal areas around the world. Tourism. Surprisingly, limited tourism is allowed in Antarctica. Around 40,000 tourists visit each year, mostly via cruise ships under strict environmental regulations to minimize ecological damage. Global importance of Antarctica. Antarctica holds immense significance for various reasons. A natural laboratory for scientific research. Provides climate history through ancient ice cores. Plays a role in maintaining global sea levels. Contains potential natural resources like minerals and oil, although their extraction is currently banned. Protection of Antarctica. Multiple organizations work to preserve Antarctica's natural beauty and ecological balance. Under the Antarctic Environmental Protocol, 1991. Mining is banned. Environmental impact assessments are required. Strict waste disposal rules are enforced. Interesting facts. 1. There are no restaurants, hotels, or roads in Antarctica. 2. Only 2 flowering plants grow there. 3. It experiences 6 months of daylight and 6 months of darkness. 4. An ATM machine exists at McMurdo Station. 5. It is the only continent with no mosquitoes or flies. Conclusion. Antarctica is a unique, mysterious, and scientifically vital continent. Though it appears as a barren icy wilderness, it holds answers to some of humanity's greatest scientific questions. Protecting Antarctica is essential for the future of humanity, climate stability, and global scientific progress.